Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
If you see the country next to us, Sri Lanka, आज परिस्थिती किती आहे? फाल्यां आमची कंट्रीची परिस्थिती अशी जावची काय हे लोकांनी हे करपाचें. So we have to give frank answers, and I think people who understand will believe. It is not that taxes is one part of it, but the real impact, so the 22% tax, 24% tax on petroleum product is one part of it. But the real difference of if you reduce that money in taxes, then are we able to perform the governmental obligations? This is the one process.
परत रस्ते फोडटात, नवीन केल्लो रस्तो फोडटा, खंयच्याय एका डिपार्टमेंटाच्या दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन कोऑर्डिनेशन ना.
आय हॅव टू एडमिट जाता ते जाताच नाही. आता ताका कोऑर्डिनेशन कशें करप, इट टेक मी सम टायम. तेंचेच आमी रस्ते करता, आमीच फोडटा. आमचे म्हजे डिपार्टमेंट कितें करपाचें, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मागीर पयलीं आमचेच डिपार्टमेंटचे उलयता. सो वी हॅव टू फायंड सोल्युशन. आनी कितें जाता अशी प्रॅक्टिकली कितें जाता, भायल्या कंट्रीन बी यू हॅव डक्टिंग सिस्टम. हांगा रस्त्याचे सगळे चडटा अशें म्हणपाचें जाता. तो डिफायन्ड आसा आनी तेजे भितर सगळे म्हणजे जावं ते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जावं ते वॉटर सप्लाय, जावं ते सिवरेज, जावं ते इंटरनेट केबल, जावं ते कोण घालता, सगळे ते रस्त्या भितर घालूंक सोदता. आनी तितू भितर कोणें कितें घातलें तें खबर आसना. वेन यू हॅव प्लॅन डेव्हलपमेंट यू कॅन प्लॅन. शी आज बिल्डर बांदता प्लॅन डेव्हलपमेंट. एज पीडब्ल्यूडी मिनिस्टर आमचो 5 वर्सां टर्म आसा. आय थिंक आय विल स्टार्ट ऑन दिस.
आय थिंक दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
I will do that. I will do that and make it available to the public on site. So you go map yourself, see on longitude, latitude, and see that you don't damage the pipeline. Take permission, pay whatever, but don't damage.
Don't damage.
We will arrest you.
मॅपिंग महत्वाचं.
करता. We will work out in the main trunk roads. कितें जाता, पयशे जाय सरकाराक.
त्या मुद्द्याचेर येतलोच हांव.
Any government, it is the people's money the government spends. So finance is very much required if we want everything. See, लोकांक एक संवय आहा की आमकां हें जाय तें जाय, पण खंयच्यान हाडप आतां तेजे दुसरे सायडीन वाडप तेजेरूच टिका करता. So ultimately government functions on people's money. This is a concept which everybody has to understand. How diligently the government spends the money is the next question people will ask me. So as far as I am there in PWD, I will see that whatever ways we can spend people's money in proper public utility, we will go ahead and do it. For sewage treatment. So this will continue. So ultimately it is their money which is being spent on them. Maka this we have finalized that free connection of Avak hai, and it will be paid over a period of time. People should not be forced to pay paise to make the connection. It is our responsibility to give the connection.
And then you pay it in a phased manner. Part of your water bill.
Yes, water bill and connection charges. Water bill is अतुल सर हांवें बांदूंक ना, पीडब्ल्यूडीन बांदूंक ना, तो बांदला GSIDCन. हांवें GSIDC कोण पोटणी पयलीं हांवें पयलींच तांकां सांगलेलें बाबा ते अतुल सेटूचे पोर्टल जे आसा ते सारके करून घे. सो इट इज नॉट हँडेड ओवर टू PWD. इट इज इन द DLP, डिफेक्ट लायबिलिटी पिरियड. सो वी हॅव टोल्ड यू, I told if you want our people, we will help you. So I think Harish is there, Ankonkar is there, he has taken the help of some IIT, and they are trying to find out what is the problem in on the tar not getting absorbed in the concrete. सो तितू भितर ज्यो गोष्टी चालू झाल्या ते PWDचेर टिका करता.